Good morning, children. Our next sub-block is Roman numerals, that is S4 from block 1. Today we are going to learn about Roman numerals. We have already learnt Indian number system, international system, then Hindu-Arabic numbers like that. But this is something different. Look at these letters here: M, D, C, L, X, V, I. These all are alphabets, isn't it? But these all are numerals too. Do you know what is mean by numerals? Numerals is nothing but a symbol or a letter is denoting a number. So these letters are denoting a number. This is what we are going to learn today. What is this, children? What do you observe here? Yes, this is a clock. What are these alphabets? Are they alphabets or numerals? Okay, this is a Roman numeral clock. Okay, these numbers are in Roman numeral system. Okay, today we are going to learn that only, how to read these Roman numerals, how to write these Roman numerals. Okay, now we move on to. In ancient times, some cultures used various symbols to represent numbers, but Romans developed their numbering system based on 7 letters. So these symbols or letters are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. So these all are the 7 letters. All the letters have a different value. With use of these 7 Roman numerals, several numbers can be formed. Roman numeral system was followed in Europe too. Even the numbers marked in classrooms, clocks, units of a book used these numerals. Do you remember your classroom, last year classroom? In your classroom, your class teacher mentioned your standard, no, 4th standard. In 4th standard, we are using that Roman numerals only, 5th standard, 3rd standard. So we are using the standard in Roman numerals only. Okay. Now we are going to learn the value of these Roman numerals. So the value of I is 1, the value of V is 5, 5th standard, no, this is what. Then value of X is 10, the value of L is 50, the value of C is 100, the value of D is 500, then the value of M is 1000. So you have to keep these values in your mind. So if possible, you can memorize this table also. Then only we can do other sums. Okay, there are some rules for writing Roman numerals. Our first rule is letters can be repeated. You can repeat the letters. So repetition means addition. So whenever the letters are repeated, you have to add. Letters I, X, C and M can be repeated up to 3 times. Only these letters can be repeated up to 3 times. So the maximum limit is 3. I'll see some example. So I. So here the letter I is repeated 3 times. No? So the value of I is 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. So V, then I. The value of V is 5, I is 1. So 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 8. So here X, I. The value of X is 10. The value of I is 1. So 10 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 12. So C, I. The value of C is 100 now. So 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 1 is equal to 301. Then M, X. So the value of M is 1000, X is 10. So 1000 plus 1000 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 2020. Okay. Now we move on to our next. V is used only once. So we can't repeat the letter V. So V is used only once. V and L are never subtracted. we can't subtract these two letters. Okay, keep it in your mind. Third rule is smaller letter on right means addition of values. Okay, we'll see an example. Look at here, xi. Okay, the value of x is 10, the value of I is 1. So the smaller letter on right side. Here what is the smaller letter? I, because the value of I is less than value of x. So you have to add. So 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. The smaller letter on left means you have to find the difference. You have to subtract. So smaller letter on right means addition. Smaller letter on left means subtraction. See one example. Before that, the letters, we can subtract the letters I from V and 10, X from L and C from D and M can only be subtracted. Only these things can be done. We can subtract I from V and X. We can subtract X from L and C. We can subtract C from D and M. So the other formats cannot be done. Only these formats can be done. We'll see some examples. Look at here. Already we have seen xi means 11. So if ix. So what is the smaller letter here? I. That's also it comes in left side. So we are going to subtract. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. IV. So what is the smaller letter here? I. That I also comes in left side. So we are going to subtract. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Then 9 already we have seen. Then XL. What is the value of L? 50. What is the value of X? 10. So what is the smaller letter here? X. So the X comes left side. So 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. Then look at here, XCV. What is the larger number here? Larger letter C. Because the value of C is 100, no? So you have to write that first. So you have to find out the larger value. So 100. Then 5, 10. So here the V comes right. So you have to add plus 5. Then the 10 comes left. So you have to subtract. So minus 10. So 10 plus 5 minus 10 is equal to 95. So the value of XCV is 95. Look at the next one. CDIV. So what is the maximum value here? 500. D. So 500 minus. So what is the next maximum value? C. So that C comes left side. So minus 100. Then what is the next value? 1 and V. Sorry, I and V. These I and V comes in right side. So plus 5. Then minus 1. So that is equal to 404. Then CMIX. So the maximum value is M. So 1000. 1000 minus 100. Then the next maximum value is X, that is 10. Then that I comes left side of X. So minus 1. So the value of this one is 909. Okay. This is the Roman numeral chart for 1 to 100. You can verify any number here. We'll see some examples. Write as Roman numerals. First sum 49. Okay. So we have to write first 40, no? So we don't have any separate letter for 40. So we are going to find out 50 minus 10. So XL, that is L is 50. 50 minus 10 means you have to write in the left side. So XL, then 9 for X, then the left side I. Okay. The next one 629. So for 629 you can write 500 plus 100 plus 10 plus 10 plus 9. So for 500 you have to write D, 100 C, 10 10, 2 times 10 no. So X X, then for 9 I X. Okay. So this is how you have to write the Roman numerals. Then the third sum 1200. So 1000 means M, CC. So 100 plus 100, that is 1200. Then our next example is write the number form for the given Roman numerals. So they have given Roman numerals. We'll see the answer. So X means 10, X means 10, then V. The value of V is 5, then 3 i's are here. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 28. So this is the answer. So next one. So here what is the maximum value? 10. So the first one is 10. The next one 10. Look at the I here. It comes left to the X. So minus 1. So 10 plus 10 minus 1 is equal to 19. So we will see next example. Compare using less than or equal to, less than or greater than or equal to. Okay. Now we are going to compare 36 dash XXVI. So first we are going to convert this Roman numerals into numbers. So XXVI means what is the value of X? 10. So 10 plus 10. The value of V is 5, the value of I is 1. So 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1, that is 26. So if we compare 26 and 36, 36 is the biggest number. Okay. So 36 greater than XXVI. Then look at the next one. 83 dash XCIII. So now we are going to find out the value. X means 100. It comes, C means 100. The value of C is 100. Then the X comes left to C. So minus 10. Then 3 ones are here. That to right side of the C. So we are going to add plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So the value is 93. So 93 is greater than 83. Okay. So I gave these 3 sums as homework. So watch the video, again do the sums and send the photo of the homework. Thank you children.